Do you need to move data from one place to another without the headaches of manual pipelines or constant maintenance? Well, you are in the right place. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into Fivetran, the powerful automated data movement platform that helps you connect your sources and destinations effortlessly. Whether you're a data engineer, analyst, or just starting out, this video will show you how to set up a Fivetran, connect your data sources, sync your pipelines, and of course, unlock reliable analytics, all with minimal fuss. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Fivetran. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials, book a demo now, or the better option is to click the start free trial here or here, whichever you prefer. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page. All you have to do is to try Fivetran for free for 14 days, absolutely at no cost. You can use any of the following or sign up with your Google account. If you do, you will be forwarded to the main dashboard of Fivetran. Now from here, you might want to click the skip button because we're going to explore the platform by going to what software do you currently use. Alright, so you need to be honest and want to make sure that you are providing the Fivetran the information that they need so that they can help you with your business needs in terms of the movement data platform. If you are using Salesforce, choose that, QuickBooks, Amazon, Shopify, and a lot more. Now, say for example, I'm going to be using Salesforce. I'm going to click on next. All right. So basically, all I have to do is click the continue button and then you will be forwarded here. All right. If you need help with the setup guide because you need to add a collaborator, you can do that. Click the plus button. Now you need to name this connection before adding a collaborator. For example, if you want to use a Salesforce, or maybe if you want to use other names, let's say for this one, click the save and continue. All right. You need to provide the email address of the collaborator. For example, and then, okay, so now as you can see, the person you are inviting will receive temporary access to the setup for 7 days. All right, and you can revoke their access at any time by visiting the setup form. I want you to click the send invite. But of course, if you are working with a multiple freelancers, team members, or working in a collaborative environment such as with your client, copy this to share, right, and send it to the chats or email. Now, from here, you have the authentication. If you click on it, it will be forwarded to this section. It's very important to click that and authorize to the API. All I have to do is click on the login. Now, if you want to authorize and go back, you can do that. Or maybe if you want to save it for later. Depends on your preferences. Now, the form is successfully saved right here. Okay. Again, you can resume the setup later. But for now, we're going to deal with the options on the left side panel that we can explore. Okay. Now, you see the overview gives you all the level of dashboard of your Fivetran setup. Right now, we forgot to, or we did not continue with the Salesforce going to our Fivetran. Okay, but this will you find the sync status of your connectors, if it's in failure, success, or in progress, data volumes, transferred, alerts, or errors, or even usage stats. You can quickly see if your data pipelines are working as expected and identify issues without digging deep. All right. Now the connections are where you can manage your data sources. These are services or databases you want to pull data from. You have Jira, Marketo, Workday, Amazon, and a lot more. Okay, so what you can do is add new connectors. For example, if you want to add connection, you will be forwarded here. Okay, monitor sync frequency and history, and of course you can pause, resume, or delete connectors depending on your preferences. So this is where you define what data you want Fivetran to extract. You can use the Shopify, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and a lot more. Okay, now the destinations is basically where you set up and manage where your data is going. Earlier, we have been using the Salesforce so that we can put the destination for Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, Databricks, and a lot more. So here we can add or configure our destination, monitor loads into the destination, and set user access and credentials, ensuring all data ends up in the right place or reporting. So if we click the add destination, if for example, we're going to be choosing the S3 data lake, click on the setup, you need to provide the destination name. And of course, click on the add. All right. Now, the transformations is going to be how your data should be cleaned, joined, or reshaped after landing in the destination. All right. You see, there's going to be an option to build and orchestrate data transformations. I want you to click on the get started, because what you can do is install data models, connect to DBT Core. Matter of fact, we have a separate video on using DBT Cloud that you might want to check in our channel, please. All right. Let's click on the connect to DBT Core. All right. If you have that, all I have to do is view the setup guide. So it could help convert raw data into analysis ready data sets, like converting timestamp formats, aggregating metrics, or joining tables, which is very useful. All right. Now you see there's going to be the trial usage estimator. What is it? It's going to load your data and you can search by your connection name. Now you see that the commitment is $12,000 and you can cover your estimated usage for a year. All right. If you want to learn about pricing, you can do that as well. But of course, you need to make sure that you are not limited with the free trial. All right. Now you can review the contract amount right here. Select the plan, standard, enterprise, business critical. Annual list price will be here. And you would have to get all these. All right. On top of that, once you feel like the platform is going to be your go-to data apps that could help you with their business needs, again, you need to go here and of course make sure to learn more about their pricing, and these are going to be the payment methods. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our walkthrough of Fivetran. So if you're looking for a tool that reduces manual ETL tasks, ensures data consistency, and of course scales effortlessly with your business needs, Fivetran is definitely worth considering. It's not the cheapest option, but the time it saves and reliability it brings to your data workflow can easily justify the investment. Now, if this video helped you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want more tech tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have you used Fivetran before, or are you considering it for your data stack? Drop your thoughts or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.